are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Are you hanging out with the girls? Are you hanging out with the guys? Are you hanging out with your girl? Because I'm picking that up too.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper.
Hello, my loves. I am back for another sexy moment, okay? I'm coming through with a unit from Sensationnel. This one is an oldie but goodie. Like, no BS. Back years ago, this might have been 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I took a picture in this unit. My Instagram went up, okay? So I said, let me run her back for Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, Humans Love Humans Day, and share her with you guys. So I'm back with another one from Sensationnel. Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, I'm Zar, okay? I'm into Zar, but everybody calls me Zar. So I want you guys to come on in, join our support group while we get into some wigs. Now, this time around, we're doing things a little bit differently. We're getting into things, all things love, sex, and magic, okay? Why? Because it's Valentine's Day, or close to it, right? So I'm coming through with this unit, this Amani unit. I have her in the color number 1B, okay? She's currently, oh look, already I love her. She's currently going for just $32. Like, that's it. Like $32 on most wig sites. I purchased this one from Elevate Styles, okay? Trying to get back into my synthetic wig bag. I missed them. All right, here is the stock card. Broken nail, no judgment. Here is the stock card. Look how pretty she is. And the colors that she comes in. Okay, let's get into the cap construction for this $32 unit. Oh, I just took a look at the cap. Okay, so she has 2 combs right by the parting space, which y'all know how I feel about that. Okay, she has a lace part. All right, lace ear to ear, comb in the back, salt and pepper pack, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. Okay. I'm gonna try the lace is giving Gwyneth. Y'all know we ain't into no menages. Gwyneth, go home. Go home, Gwyneth. But at least not none with no Gwyneths, if you're picking up what I'm putting in. But I'm gonna go on through and get this unit together. Okay, darken her up around the perimeter. Shut my mouth and get on into it. So this is Amani in her glory, okay? I'm coming through giving zebra realness for Valentine's Day, Galentine's Day, whatever look you're going for. She is big and sexy. Now, one thing I like about this unit is that she feels like human hair. I mean, this is a lot of hair. Like, full disclosure, if you're into big hair, this is a good one to do. Okay? Very little lace around the ear to ear. Very little lace to work with, okay? But she's $32. I definitely had to pluck all the way back here, okay, to get, like, it looking a little bit more natural. This unit is absolutely stunning now. If I'm sorry. Sorry about that, guys. If I'm being honest, she's really, really beautiful. Like, I'm like really, really into this. You have no idea. So I really don't have any complaints about this unit. I'm gonna turn around for you guys to give you the back, okay? Let me know if I got any tracks showing in the back. But she is a lot of hair. I changed up the look for you guys so I could give, you know, sexy gremlin realness. And I think that she is providing. This is a really fun unit. Super inexpensive, $32. The cap is, I have her Wakanda Forever in the back, so she is big hair friendly, okay? My only thing that's a draw, two things that's a drawback for me. I don't like where the combs are at all, okay? That's number one. Number two, the lace is short in the front, which isn't a horrible thing. Like, it's not like something that I would not buy this unit. I would absolutely buy this unit again and again and again and again. I think she's really, really beautiful. I think that you definitely should give her a chance because she's kind of like providing us with something. Like, she's a vibe. What do you guys think? Am I giving love, sex, and magic? Am I giving Tiana Taylor realness? I feel like I am. With my ruby woo. Ooh, guys. I love any dress with gloves. So if you find one, send it to me, guys. I love dresses with gloves. This unit is fire. Let me tell you something. What are y'all doing for Valentine's Day? Are you hanging out with the girls? Are you hanging out with the guys? Are you hanging out with your girl? Because I'm picking that up too, honey. I just want to know. I'm being nosy. What are your plans? Bust down. I'm trying to give you guys some looks, some ideas, some sexy, sexy realness. And I guess I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye. Ooh. Bye. All right, now I'm all back, beat down, and ready to go. And Amani, she is $32 of Love, Sex, and Magic. Am I so read up? Love, Sex, and Magic? Diana Ross realness.